Alright, well, this is the first swap meet out here at Barberville. And as you can see, it's actually turned out to be pretty good. That's Peggy's tent right there. And we got Bill's Lumber. And quite a few other people. And it's actually a success. There's a full view of the whole place. And there's people out there talking and swapping and making deals.
They did not have their funding set up program. They thought that they could
kick the chickens out of their coop, put them in the coop, and we went out that night and she had a stillborn. But they're already eating real food. They're 2 weeks old.
So they're doing good.
Oh yeah.
What kind is it?
Yorkshire, and then
Not much that you can't find out here. Everything from parakeets to rabbits.
Lake ones?
Lake ones? Yeah, I like the colors.
Yeah.
A lot of chickens out here. Somebody bought a pig. Of course, you can't see the pig with all the people in the way.